Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
In the next few minutes, you'll see how AffiliBank OS can take you from a blank starting point to a complete affiliate review website with branding, categories, AI-generated review content, and monetization opportunities all handled from one dashboard. Start by opening the DFY Review site wizard. First, choose the niche for the site. AffiliBank OS includes plenty of affiliate-friendly markets, from tech and software to AI tools, gaming, Amazon products, and digital offers. For this demo, select Tech and Electronics. Next, give the site a name and add a short description. And choose the design style. AffiliBank OS provides multiple homepage layouts, color themes, and font combinations, so the site can quickly take on its own professional brand. You can also upload a logo, add a favicon, and connect social profiles if needed. Once everything looks right, preview the site. Choose the website URL and click Publish Site. Before adding products, the site needs to be organized. Head over to Review Topics. These work like the main categories for the affiliate content. Simply enter a category name, select the website it belongs to, and click Create. For example, this site can be organized into topics such as software reviews, design and creative tools, deals and discounts, marketing tools, and website and e-commerce. Each topic gives the site another angle to target products, keywords, and affiliate offers. And now the website is live, the categories are added, and the next step is to start filling them with monetized review content. So let's move over to Add Review Post and turn product opportunities into affiliate money pages. In this demonstration, you'll see how to create a complete affiliate review post with AffiliBank OS. First, open Add Review Post. AffiliBank OS provides two ways to create a review: from URL or manual entry. The From URL option is the faster method because the system can collect product information directly from the source page. Select From URL to continue. Paste the URL of the product you want to promote. In this example, the source is an Amazon listing for a gaming laptop. AffiliBank OS can use the information found on this page as the foundation for the review. There is also an optional notes field where you can provide additional instructions or specific details to guide the AI. Next is the Featured Image section. You can set your own featured image using an image URL or upload a file directly, or simply leave this blank and let AffiliBank OS automatically adds for you. Now select the website where the review should appear, then choose the appropriate review topic and publication status. AffiliBank OS can also prepare an SEO-friendly meta title and meta description based on the generated content. This means the review structure and basic search optimization can be handled within the same workflow. Next, choose the type of review to create: single product review or comparison review. For this product, select Single Product Review, then click Create Post. AffiliBank OS will now begin creating the review. During this process, the system analyzes the product information, generates the review content, finds relevant imagery, prepares SEO metadata, saves the content, and builds the page inside the visual editor. This removes several repetitive steps normally required when creating an affiliate review manually. Once the generation process is complete, the review opens inside the visual editor. The page already contains many of the key elements expected in a professional product review. These can include the product name, category, rating, price information, product images, quick verdict, specifications, rating breakdown, detailed review content, pros and cons, buying options, alternatives, and a final verdict. The generated review remains fully editable. The left side of the editor displays the main content blocks, including sections such as Product Hero, Rating Breakdown, Specifications Table, Review Content, and Final Verdict. Select any block to edit its settings. Product information, text, pricing, ratings, images, and other details can be adjusted from the editing panel. Additional content blocks can also be added whenever more information is needed. This means although all the work has been done by AI, you still have full control over the content. Next, scroll down to the Where to Buy section. You can showcase multiple purchase options, display current prices, and give visitors more chances to take action. Simply drop your affiliate links into these purchase URL fields, and every buying button becomes another potential commission opportunity. And AffiliBank OS doesn't stop with just one product. The review also includes a powerful alternatives section, allowing you to recommend additional products to visitors who may not be ready to buy the main offer. Each alternative can be customized with its own name, description, rating, price, image, and affiliate link. So instead of relying on a single product for commissions, one review can promote several relevant offers at once, giving you more clicks, more monetization opportunities, and more ways to profit from the same traffic. Once the content has been checked and customized, click Save. The review will now appear inside the All Review Posts section. From here, it can be managed, edited again, or published to the connected review website. And here is the completed review page. Think about what just happened. AffiliBank OS started with a single product URL and turned it into a complete, conversion-focused affiliate review packed with product information, images, ratings, specifications, buying options, alternatives, SEO elements, and multiple opportunities to generate commissions. At this point, all that's left is to make any final adjustments, plug in your affiliate links, and put the review to work. And the real power comes from repeating this process. You can create more reviews, target more products, enter more categories, and expand into completely different niches, turning the same simple workflow into a growing network of monetized affiliate content. That's how AffiliBank OS helps transform a link into a review machine that can work around the clock to attract clicks, promote offers, and generate affiliate commissions. Now that the review content is ready, let's add another monetization layer. Open Monetization, choose the website, and add a promotional banner. Simply upload the banner image, choose where it should appear, such as the top, bottom, or sides of the site, and enter the click-through URL. That URL can point directly to an affiliate offer, special deal, bonus page, or any promotion you want to monetize. Click Save Changes, and the banner is automatically displayed across the selected site, including review posts and other pages. The banner creates additional opportunities for clicks, offers, and commissions. And that completes the core AffiliBank OS workflow. Build the site, create the content, add the affiliate links, and turn the traffic into multiple monetization opportunities.